On my iPhone, you can set a hotspot, and one of the things is you can connect by USB. So for today, I did a short test using an iPhone connected to an iPhone using an OTG cable. It's already connected, and there's no sharing involved, so it doesn't work between iPhone to iPhone. That's what I see in my test. Besides that, at the top left, usually you'll see a connection icon if it connected okay. And I'll show you. Let's see about me connecting to this PC temporarily. So I'm going to unhook this and plug this into my laptop up here. And if everything worked fine, I'll see something like this. Allow. You turn off the Wi-Fi. So Wi-Fi is off. I'm in network status here right now. Let's change adapter options. It's not automatically connecting. Maybe you're gonna have Windows troubleshoot. This worked very easily with the Mac. Next. And I'm on Windows 10 here? Or Windows... No, I don't want this. So instructions say to connect to your... and look for a list of network services. But I don't see it on here. And you can see there's no network connection. Let me try unplugging it and replugging it. Still no internet.